How often do we pause to consider the digital wizardry that powers our modern world? From the smartphone in your pocket to the autonomous vehicles of the future, digital logic design is the invisible maestro conducting an orchestra of ones and zeros. Embark on a journey into the world of binary systems, logic gates, and digital circuit design, the fundamental building blocks of our digital age. Binary systems form the basic language of computers. Picture a world with only two words, 1 and 0. It's like a switch, either on or off. This is the binary system, a two-symbol system that forms the basis of all digital computation. It's simple, yes, but also incredibly powerful. Imagine every image you see, every sound you hear, every word you read on your screen, all reduced to this binary language of ones and zeros. Now let's delve into the heart of digital logic design, the logic gates. These are the decision makers, the crossroads where binary signals choose which path to take. There are 7 basic logic gates: AND, NOT, NAND, NOR, SOR, and XNOR. Each gate follows a specific logical function, processing the binary inputs and producing a single binary output. Think of them as the traffic lights of digital systems, directing the flow of information based on a set of rules. The AND gate, for example, only gives a 1 output if all its inputs are 1. The OR gate, on the other hand, gives a 1 output if any of its inputs are 1. The NOT gate is a bit of a contrarian, flipping the input turning 1 into 0 and vice versa. The other gates, NAND, NOR, XOR, and XNOR, are variations and combinations of these 3 basic gates, each with their own unique set of rules. Finally, we arrive at digital circuit design. This is where the magic happens. By combining different logic gates, we can build complex digital circuits capable of performing a wide range of functions. From simple operations like addition and subtraction to running sophisticated algorithms, digital circuits are the workhorses of our digital world. In summary, the binary system is the language of digital systems. Logic gates are the decision makers, and digital circuit design is where it all comes together. This intricate dance of ones and zeros underpins our daily lives, powering the devices we rely on and shaping the future of technology. The power of digital logic design lies in its simplicity. With only 2 states, 1 and 0, and a handful of logic rules, we can build incredibly complex and powerful systems. It's a testament to the power of human ingenuity and a reminder that sometimes, less truly, is more. Remember, every time you swipe your smartphone, stream a video, or marvel at the latest tech innovation, you're witnessing the silent symphony of digital logic design in action.